Greetings to all business owners. Welcome to VSK Business Consultant in Chennai. Are you ready to propel your business to the next level of development and achieve resounding success, starting now with a robust startup or by scaling your existing enterprise? Trust VSK Business Consultant in Chennai to be your dedicated partner throughout your business journey. At VSK Business Consultant in Chennai, we pride ourselves on our comprehensive expertise that spans across diverse industries. Whether you operate within the dynamic retail business sector, the complex manufacturing industry, the crucial distribution service industry, or any facet of the vast service industry, or any business, regardless of your specific sector, VSK Business Consultant in Chennai is equipped and ready to take care of your business development needs. We understand that each business in Chennai, with its unique challenges and opportunities within the local market and beyond, requires a tailored approach. Our team of experienced consultants is committed to providing strategic guidance and practical solutions designed to drive tangible results and sustainable growth. Trust VSK Business Consultant to understand your unique vision and work diligently to bring it to fruition. Connect with VSK Business Consultant in Chennai today, and let us take care of every aspect of your business's journey towards becoming a thriving startup or achieving unprecedented levels of success. We offer a holistic suite of services designed to address your specific needs and empower your business to flourish in the competitive Chennai business environment and beyond. Trust in our expertise to guide you through every stage of your business development. Our commitment to your success includes in-depth business analysis, strategic planning, operational optimization, brand building, marketing strategies, financial planning, customer relationship management, team development, and navigating the Chennai business landscape. Trust VSK Business Consultant to provide reliable and effective solutions tailored to your specific needs. Don't let your business goals remain aspirations. Trust VSK Business Consultant in Chennai now to take care of the intricate details involved in building a successful startup or scaling your existing business to new heights. We are dedicated to providing the expert support and guidance you need to navigate the complexities of the business world and achieve lasting success in Chennai and beyond. Trust our commitment to your business journey. Stay connected with VSK Business Consultant and gain valuable insights, business tips, and success stories. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow our WhatsApp channel. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. For any consultation, please do not hesitate to contact us at 9840-336-999. We are eager to discuss your business needs and explore how VSK Business Consultant in Chennai can be your trusted partner in achieving your goals. To learn more about our comprehensive range of services and how we can specifically assist your business, we invite you to visit our website at www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. Trust VSK Business Consultant to provide the resources and support you need. Take the decisive step towards a successful startup or significant business growth today. Trust VSK Business Consultant in Chennai. We are ready to take care of your business throughout your success business journey. Welcome, all business owners.